Hi, today I'll show you how to reset network settings on Motorola E6 Play. So, first of all, we need to go to Settings, then System, Advanced, Reset Options, and there is Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. So, actually, if you will reset those settings, your phone will forget every password from Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi. So if you do not remember your passwords, so I think that's better not to do this. But if you want to reset your network settings, just press Reset Settings, confirm user pattern, and press Reset Settings again. Network settings have been reset. So, thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.